Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a comprehensive journey through ScholarSphere, your ultimate gateway to everything related to university admissions. Our odyssey commences with the captivating landing page. Meticulously designed with a user-centric approach, the interface is adorned with a symphony of vibrant hues. Whether you're an aspiring admission candidate or a seasoned academic, our seamless registration process ensures that each user's journey is unique and secure. The system expertly manages user credentials, from usernames to emails, while employing stringent security measures to validate passwords and emails. But that's not all. Our robust email verification system guarantees a fortress of security from the outset. Upon registration, a verification code is dispatched to your inbox, ensuring your presence in the ScholarSphere realm is both authenticated and secure. And with just a click, you're welcomed into your personalized dashboard, tailored to your user type. Completing your user profile marks a pivotal step on your path to success. The information you provide us with empowers our platform to curate content aligned with your interests and needs. We understand that convenience is paramount. With our Remember Me feature, your login information is securely stored, ensuring a seamless return visit. No need to worry about repetitive data entry. Now, let's unravel the admission portal, a treasure trove of vital information about universities currently open for admissions. Each university's intricate details are just a click away, bolstered by direct links to their respective notice boards. To stay up to date, don't miss our weekly newsletter. Experience the convenience of receiving the latest posts and updates directly in your inbox. And here's the magic. I employed the Windows Task Scheduler to ensure our newsletter seamlessly arrives in your inbox every week, offering a curated slice of ScholarSphere's knowledge. Eager to explore universities across Bangladesh? Our immersive university profiles provide comprehensive insight ranging from statistics to program offerings, all wrapped up with precise location data. Uncover ranked statistics and facilities, and witness the magic of interactive Google Maps. Plus, rest assured that ScholarSphere's responsive design ensures a seamless access across all devices. Remember that newsletter? It's not just a promise, it's a reality. Witness the latest posts and updates delivered directly to your email, ensuring you're informed, even on the go. Engaging in stimulating discussions is at the heart of ScholarSphere's forum. Join a vibrant community where insights, queries, and experiences are shared openly. Navigating the forum is a breeze. Our structured categories and subcategories cater to diverse topics of interest, ensuring that meaningful discussions are always within reach. Dive deeper into subcategories to discover a wealth of posts on specific subjects. ScholarSphere's intuitive design ensures effortless navigation, fostering a seamless exchange of ideas. Delve into post details and embrace the magic of interactive engagement. Participate in discussions, share thoughts, and expand your horizons, all within the vibrant ScholarSphere community. Alumni and current students, your ScholarSphere journey awaits. Unlock exclusive features tailor-made for your unique experiences. We're serious about quality. Before alumni and current students can contribute, their profiles undergo verification by our diligent admins. This ensures that only credible voices shape our community discourse. Admins wield the torch of responsibility. Logging in grants them access to powerful tools that safeguard the platform's integrity. Verified admins take the stage with heightened authority. They're instrumental in validating new accounts, curating content for the admission portal, and actively participating in forum discussions. Witness the meticulous process as an admin verifies a new account, a crucial step in fostering trust and credibility within our community. Verified alumni and current students are also active contributors, providing invaluable insights. Their posts undergo admin scrutiny, ensuring that our community remains a beacon of quality. Admins bring the admission portal to life. With the power to post new admission information, they shape the hub that guides aspiring students toward their dreams. Offering a panoramic view of ScholarSphere's multifaceted features, each element is thoughtfully engineered to empower you on your educational voyage. ScholarSphere stands as a testament to meticulous implementation, where every feature resonates with purpose, ensuring a harmonious and enriching experience for users from all walks of life. With gratitude for accompanying us through the realms of ScholarSphere, here's a glimpse into the architectural foundation, the database and tables fueling ScholarSphere's vitality. Your contributions can shape the future of ScholarSphere. Here's the GitHub repository, awaiting your touch. If curiosity beckons, experience the magic firsthand. Explore the live website and immerse yourself in the ScholarSphere experience. Last but not least, a glimpse into the intricate coding behind ScholarSphere's facets. Remember, your academic dreams find a nurturing abode here. Embrace the pursuit of knowledge, immerse yourself in our vibrant community, and make enlightened choices within the realm of ScholarSphere. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the boundless horizons of knowledge. With ScholarSphere as your compass, you're never alone in your educational odyssey. Thank you for your time. Your journey matters, and we're honored to be a part of it.